Hello, and thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. My name is Adam Clark. I'm CEO and President of Tangible Solutions here in Dayton, Ohio. We are a contract manufacturer of 3D printed titanium orthopedic implants, and that is all we do. Here you can see a few pictures of some of the complex geometries that we've printed and under a microscope, just to kind of show the resolution that we can achieve. Here are some sample parts that we've built through our partner Topology, who's a software developer. They allow us, we are a beta user of their software, so we get to do some really unique stuff, not only just with the software for internal purposes, but also with our customers as well, to make sure that they're achieving the best designs and getting the most out of what they intend. Here we talk about near net printing. We don't really talk about it, but we're showing a part. That's a part that was just taken off the build plate, and it's all one full assembly as is printed in place. And then this next item here are some pedicle screw systems. Again, sales samples that we were just trying out, but they have a trabecular core that were built with support structures, breakaway features, and just showing you what you can do with the technology. So there's so much to be explored. If you're looking at a new product, if you're looking at vendor transition, we've been through it all. We have a great quality and compliance department. We had an audit by the FDA last year in November with 0 findings. So we're more than capable to handle your business with the responsibility that you need, and a vendor that truly understands what you're going through within your business cycle. As implants are the only thing we do, we are very hyper-focused, and we are very sensitive to our customers' needs and what they need within their own market. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like more information, give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. Would love to network. Again, Adam Clark, Tangible Solutions. Thanks again. Have a great evening.